Today we are in Burton Mews, and I can't wait to show off this fabulous home for sale. We are in the heart of Belgravia, one of London's most sought-after neighborhoods. And what makes Mews properties so special is that they're typically quiet, charming, and in this case, you can own a freehold home for under £2 million. That is truly special. So let's dive in. I can't wait to show it off. As I mentioned, Mews properties are so special because they used to be former carriage houses or barns, and in this case, they would have supported the aristocracy of Belgravia. Belgravia is one of the highest, most sought after areas of London. It is posh, it's elegant, it's sophisticated, and this Mews house certainly continues that characteristics. What makes it extra special, though, I think is rare. You have really high ceilings. I'd say close to 9 or 10 feet. And typically Mews houses, while they can be extra charming, they don't always have the best light. But this house does. You get light from both sides, which oftentimes you won't do. What I also love is that it still has retained some of the incredible original features that create charm and classic details. You've got phenomenal molding that wraps the entire ceiling length area here. You've got archways that retain some of the cove and the cornice pieces as well. I also love the whitewashed white floors here, but you've got the original fireplace that you could certainly upgrade for gas or use it as a decorative feature. Again, this home has been really upgraded and modernized, so while it retains its charm, it's certainly suitable for everyday and modern living. You could move in today, whether it's as an investment property and rental or as a pied-à-terre second home. But really, you could also live here comfortably as a local domestic resident who wants to live and work in London and wants a home for under £2 million. I love some of the upgrades that have been done in this property, most notably in the kitchen area. This was opened up and it really complements the space by modernizing it. You have a fully functional 5-burner gas stove, washer, dryer, dishwasher, everything you need as far as amenities. This home is really full of charm, and I really love the decorative features that the owners have done here, including this wall, which is a wonderful place to create storage. It's features to be able to feature your books, your mementos, what have you. Done in this beautiful dark black stain or color, it also creates a wonderful contrast against the whitewashed wooden floors. What also is special about this home is you really have storage in discreet and unexpected places, including in this wonderful wardrobe or closet space that goes really pretty deep. You've got the washing machine in there, so it's great that it's been pulled out of the kitchen, allowing for more storage space in the kitchen as well. You've also got another bookshelf feature here, but really it's about personalizing this home to your taste, and the current owners have done exactly that. I absolutely love this home because there are so many details that you really are going to appreciate when you come and visit and see it for yourself. You have this wonderful light window here bringing in light into the stairwell. You have the continuation of the hardwood floors up the stairs, painted white to create a really fresh and bright space. But look at, you've got this wonderful storage area just above the staircase as well. Perfect for luggage or other things that you're going to want to keep in the home. This property really does make for a perfect investment property because it will rent so very well, given it's such a highly sought after location. But if you're looking for it as a second home, the fact that you're on a private, secure Muse Street creates a level of security that will provide for peace of mind. I love the fact that you can park in front of the house and come right into your own front door, again, making it so special as compared to, say, being in a flat. Here in the primary bedroom, it is really a wonderful oasis. You have the continuation of the really nice high ceiling heights here, and it has created a space that is really spacious, but calm, restful, and a perfect place to end your days. You have a wonderful wall of storage here for your hanging as well as folded items here, but still plenty of additional floor space to include things like a secondary seating option or additional dresser space. I particularly love the natural grass carpeting that they've brought up here to provide warmth and texture, but still maintaining a classic look and feel. Bathroom, it's been modernized, but I love that they've retained a classic feel to really be in keeping with the rest of the home. You have the beautiful black and white tiles that start from the floor and go about halfway up the wall, but also the beautiful walk-in shower creates plenty of space as well as really enjoyment for modern day living. You have a bathroom. You have a window in here, so creating, again, access to natural light. But throughout, all the details have been thought through and really in keeping with making this a modern but classic-inspired home. Here in the second bedroom, it's obviously been beautifully decorated for their toddler, and I really do love how it's been laid out. But don't be fooled. It can easily be converted to someone else's taste. There is space for a double bed here, or it could serve as a home office, or really flexible in terms of layout. You've got a very deep wardrobe space that was built out, so again, you could maintain that. Or if you wanted the square footage and the floor space, you could amend that as well. But I love that you have this extra room here, perfect for guests, perfect for home office, or any other space that you'd like to use to help create the look and feel that you want for your home in London. You got what I need, sipping on the ocean, all that good emotion, just my kind. So if you want to know more about Burton Muse, make sure to reach out. I hope you definitely got as excited as I am about how special a home this is. And don't forget, if you're looking to find something throughout London, please reach out because I'm also always happy to talk to you about the different areas. We are literally in Belgravia, one of the most special parts of London, but we will definitely help you find your perfect piece of London as well. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I'm on all the channels, and I'll keep you posted on the latest that's happening in the London property scene. Bye for now.